In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email in Zendesk. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log into your Zendesk account. Start by navigating to the Zendesk website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In button, typically found in the top right corner. Give that a click, and then enter your current credentials, your email and password. If you've forgotten your password, there's usually a helpful link to reset it, so don't worry if you run into that hiccup. Once you're logged in, it's time to get to your profile. To do that, look for your profile photo in the top right corner of the page. It might just be a little icon if you haven't uploaded a photo yet. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says View Profile. This action will take you to a new page where all your account details live. Now that you're on your profile page, look over to the left-hand side. You should see an option that says Plus Add Contact. Click on this and then choose the email option from the options that appear. This prompts a text field to pop up where you can enter your new email address. Go ahead and type in the address you wish to use. Make sure to double-check it for any typos, as errors can keep you from receiving important notifications and updates. Once you've entered your new email address, saving your changes is a breeze. All you need to do is click anywhere outside of the text box. Yes, that's right, just a simple click. Zendesk is designed to make this process seamless, so it will automatically save your new email entry without any additional steps. But we're not quite finished yet. There's one vital step remaining: email verification. Head over to the inbox of the new email address you've just added. You should find an email from Zendesk in there, which contains a verification or confirmation message. Open that email and follow the instructions inside to confirm that you indeed want to make this change and that you have access to the email. This step is crucial for security reasons, ensuring that your account remains safe and that you're the rightful owner of the new email. And that's it. You've successfully changed your email in Zendesk. To recap, you logged in, accessed your profile, added a new email address, saved the changes, and verified that email. Easy, right? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials just like this one. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching.